my yard. I won't be giving up, rather starve. Seen struggles like, oh my God, still I'm standing here.
Took my chances, play my cards. Now me and my team go far. Won't give up, I'd rather starve. Baby, hold on, hold on.
Fighting through the pressure, now I made it, won't stop. Hating is whatever, cause I made it to the top. When you got the pressure, now we see what you got. And hating is whatever, now we got this on live.
Yeah, ain't no sex so well lit. Get it hecho, you can conflict with it. En tu mente como una locura. Te pegan las balas like bulla. I live in your status so critical. Dada la chamba like critical. Me meto en tu mente lo hice. Quemando todo lo que existe.
Tô no jogo, então avisa lá. Pronto, preparado, eu vim pra ganhar. Então os caras eu vou amassar. Mostra pra eles como é que se faz. No Free Fire nós tá demais. Ao nível que nós tava, querer reportar. A bola vai cantar.
You better watch out.
I'm on fire, baby, burning, burning. Everything like no one knows it, knows it. I'm too good for you, I'm too good for you. It's me, baby, I'm on J, my nice girl, I can take a show, like wow. Nowadays, so the mess of a day, I'ma get ya break, cause it's too way out. Sure you can't win, cause I'm too good and I'm on my grind, out. Coming in and I'm coming through, go to snatch it, catch it out.
My culture straight, you are regular. My money looks straight, you are regular.
I grind on way to my 9 to a day when I yoko me, I get my bag.
Ain't no hit, no better, bro. I crucial my competitors.
Passei a cal, vou lutear. Meu squad tá pronto pra rushar. Os inimigos não aguentam. Só rajada violenta. Então experimenta. Mas segura a sequência. Tô de nível 40.